Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make a private server on Roblox in the still Brainrot. So let's start. Here's how you can start doing it. So first you have to create a private server, that's the picture show you. So then you have to start a private server name, and then subscribe. And when you do it, you can pay for by some private. You can see here how many coins you have to have. And when you do it, well, you can subscribe and create a private server on Roblox and start inviting friends. And well, that is how you can start doing it. As you can see, it costs 79 Robux a month, so it's not too much, but well, you have to consider it for create a private server on Roblox, guys. So that is how you can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.